Hey guys, this isn't just another review of wonderful new products. Today's list is the greatest of the best, the most unusual and useful stuff from all over the internet, and we had to make sure that you don't miss any of it. As always, all the links to the products you'll find in the description below. If you find traditional watches to be too bulky or uncomfortable, perhaps you should consider wearing a ring instead. Now there's a ring that shows the time. The engraved slits on the ring are equipped with bright LEDs that are either blue or orange. When you slightly rotate the ring, the digits line up for 15 seconds so you can clearly see the time. The ring is fully made of surgical stainless steel, which is both sleek and durable. The device is also completely waterproof. You will need to charge it once every 3 to 5 days, but you shouldn't be bothered too much because there is a beautiful wireless charging pad included in the package. There is a huge variety of sizes and color options to choose from, so at least you won't be like everyone else. Your music is the best companion for all of your outdoor activities, and now it's ready to travel with you wherever you go. Although it looks like a piece of military equipment, this is actually a powerful Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth 5 to be precise. It's extremely tough, featuring a full metal zinc alloy body. It's also safely protected from water, so even the heaviest rain won't stop you. The speaker's palm size and weighs less than 5 ounces, which makes carrying absolutely effortless. Not bad for something that is this little. This item has a playtime of 6 hours on a single charge. In addition to that, this device also includes an embedded flashlight with 3 distinct settings. This is the kind of electronic device on which you may rely on. This is the most fashionable piece of equipment ever created. It is really just a pretty neat looking small cube, but most importantly, it delivers light to you regardless of the environment. The cube is fitted with LEDs that can illuminate itself and do not require any external source of power. The holes on the sides make it possible for you to link this thing to various laces or insert something along the root paired with beads. Thanks to the versatility of this device, it can also act as an aesthetic accessory while being unfazed by the presence of water. Here's what happens when you put a deck of cards in the most magnificent packaging ever. The metal box with all those gears and decorations is every steampunk fan's dream. But the true magic starts when you put the deck in this stunning mechanical frame. Not only does it make the mechanism work, but it also gives its cool LED lights, which you can switch on and off whenever you like. For a full set, you should also acquire the metal dice that comes with it. If you're enjoying our content, please give the video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you can get our newest and most interesting content as soon as it comes out. Here is a multi-tool for wilderness survival that can fit into the palm of your hand. Its durable body is made of aluminum, which is designed to withstand abuse and blast for many years. The handheld device features foldable ferrocerium and magnesium rods for lighting fires, as well as an emergency whistle, blade sharpener, and reflective panels. A compass and thermometer are 2 more items that might come in helpful. The belt clasp on the side can be removed if that is more convenient for you. It is possible for it to transform into a screwdriver, a can opener, bottle opener, ruler, and 4 different types of hex wrenches. In the event that the number of functions is not sufficient, here is an axe that you might be impressed with. It has some features such as a hammer, a pry and lever, and a nail puller, and it will be ideal for camping. It also has 10 multi-tools in common, and it is prepared to break the ice and split wood. Last but not the least, there is one more alternative with 31 multi-tools in one body to keep you going. In addition to the task described above, it includes a 6-inch folding knife, a seatbelt cutter, and even a gas valve shutoff wrench. Well, there is nothing that can stop you now. Okay folks, it's time to capture some large fish. This rodless fishing reel ensures that you will know first of all that this item is only 3 inches long, which means it simply fits in your jeans pocket. Despite the size, the reel is amazingly strong since it is entirely built of stainless steel and anodized aluminum, and it is fairly simple to use even for newbies. The clever snap swivel will prevent the line from being tangled. The entire fishing method is pretty straightforward as well. Simply spin the lure for a few seconds, release the line in the appropriate direction, and then reel it in gently. When the fish is there, hold your thumb on the spool and yank back. As for the appearance, there are various beautiful colors to select from. The big finger holes on the reel make it very easy to handle, and it may be used with either hand because it is ambidextrous. If you aren't much of an experienced fisherman yet, you might want to go with a version that is a little bit simpler. This one is made of plastic and doesn't have the complex planetary gear drive, but you can still count on it in terms of its durability. It should be able to handle over 3 pounds without any problem. This device shines while serving its purpose. First and foremost, as a holder for mobile phones. Simply attach it to the air vent of your car and you're good to go. A built-in smart chip turns the holder into a charger that supports the most popular GI standard and delivers 10 watts of power. The glassy surface makes it look even cooler than it is already, and the adjustable swivel ball with 360-degree rotation adds several points to safe driving. Now all the necessary information is right in front of your eyes, as its so-called wings open automatically as you bring the phone close. Any driver who requires your phone number will now be able to see it right away. Available in chrome, silver, and gold, this wonderfully complements any interior of a vehicle. The plate has 4 sets of numbers that can easily be arranged and changed if required. You can position the bone anywhere you choose, and 4 adhesive stickers will keep it firmly attached. Now is the moment for you to construct your own robots. You shouldn't be too concerned about it because it's not as nearly complex as other DIY kits. You will be given detailed instructions along with the entire assortment of items that are required: tweezers, pliers, soldering iron, and everything else. Each of the robots has different appearance and construction, such as the spider-like hexapod or the 2-legged heavy sniper. You may put them together one at a time or get the whole kit, which comes with all 5 pieces. Some models have as few as 20 parts, while others have over 100. All of these spaceships and beasts are assembled from printed circuit boards, a component that is actually utilized in all of our devices. In addition, you will need to equip the robots with blinking LED lights, so you can tell if they are alive. This item is much more than a simple ring. Its size and form enable you to hold it in your hand comfortably and discreetly. The operation is also incredibly easy. You only need to squeeze it to start. The electric discharge safety is also thought through. The activation switch will prevent inadvertent shocks, and a red flashing light on the side will signal that the device is on. The ring is rechargeable and the cable is included in the package, so you can rely on it anytime you need to protect yourself from attackers. Are you ready for the tiniest pen in the world that will last you a lifetime and even longer? The concept behind this device is rather straightforward. It's difficult to imagine that it doesn't even utilize any ink. Instead, the silver tip oxidizes whenever it comes into contact with the paper or any other surface. It won't smear like regular ink, and it won't leak. And it goes without saying that it's entirely waterproof. However, the greatest advantage is that it's not just a pen. It can also be used as a box opener and a pry bar. It's just an inch long, yet it can hold anything from a keychain to even a zipper, depending on your preference. The same goes for the barrel, which comes in one of 3 different metals: titanium, copper, or brass. This is not just a cool pocket knife. Its main feature is the opening mechanism, which allows you to open the knife with just one hand by pressing a lever and rotating the blade until it clicks. The blade is made of stainless steel and has a matte bead blast finish, making it strong and ready to last for many years. When folded, the knife's sliding lock mechanism will prevent it from opening on its own without warning. Additionally, the knife can double as both bottle opener and a carabiner, making it an excellent choice for anyone who frequently requires a knife in a convenient location. Get ready for the most groundbreaking innovation in product design today. This item in front of you is neither an accessory nor some type of secret key. It's a trimmer, and it's probably the most peculiar one and tiny one in the world. It's made of anodized aluminum, but the end caps that you grip are pliable. All you have to do to switch it on is press it on both sides. You don't need a single drop of water or any kind of shaving cream. All you have to do now is roll it over your beard. And this one right here is a little multi-tool. It comes with a carabiner so you can clip it to your belt or hang it in the shower if you like. The other side of the tool is a bottle opener with a safety lock mechanism, so you won't accidentally cut yourself. That's really nice. Next up is not just another device, but an entirely robotic body part called the third thumb. The third thumb is an extension of your hand that is controlled wirelessly by your big toes. It is manufactured with 3D printing and is flexible enough to stimulate the movement of a genuine human thumb. Just think of all the opportunities it presents. Not only does the thumb expand your capabilities and add functionality to your hands, but it also challenges your brain by forcing it to integrate a new body part into an already established system. Once you get used to it, it really does become an almost inseparable part of your body. What an incredible way to explore the limitless possibilities of your body and mind. Now you're probably wondering what this oddball serves for. It's not an instrument of torture, but in fact, it's simply a strange spike that's concealed within the sheet. As you can see, this thing is totally machined from a solid piece of brass except for the spikes, which are really stainless steel. It's fairly evident that this isn't the sort of thing you're going to use on a daily basis, it's rather a collector's item. Spider-Man devotees have waited an age to see this day finally arrive. A completely working web shooter is finally available for purchase by anybody. In fact, there is an entire range of these amazing accessories now, but we'll get to that in a moment. This web-based shooter is really straightforward, but in no way less remarkable for it. The web is activated by the nylon line wrapped around your finger, which is nearly undetectable to other people. However, in order to unlock the full potential of this weapon, you must fire at magnetic surfaces, where the threads will adhere and allow you to pull an object from a distance of 9 feet. You are free to reload the web shooter as many times as you want, and it shouldn't take more than a minute when there are no enemies nearby. This item also functions as a watch, and you should probably go with this version if you want to wear your web shooter with traditional suits. Although the mechanism is virtually the same, the 3D printed nickel steel body changes everything. You get the web shooter of an adult man instead of a colorful toy. Using laser engraving is a fantastic method for transforming ordinary items into something genuinely one of a kind. And now, anybody can do it without the need for any specialized training or equipment. All you need to do is place this small engraver on your desktop and then select an item to work on. On the hardware side, the stand has a number of inbuilt sensors that change the height and position of the object automatically. On the software side, all you need is a mobile app that enables you to pick and alter a variety of photos and inscriptions. It's that simple. The stand itself is equipped with a variety of sensors that, when activated, will automatically adjust the height of the object as well as its location on the platform. It is simply loaded with magnificent decorations and ornaments, ranging from the terrible Gothic skull to numerous gears of varying sizes. Of course, all the gears are rotatable, as are the skeleton's limbs. This steampunk phone case is the undisputed monarch of all steampunk phone covers. Moreover, the case features a little fan and even a compass for your convenience. This case is comprised of pure copper coupled with aluminum and zinc alloys. It is similar to a metal armor for your phone. Some versions also contain a built-in bullet stand. There is a wide selection of iPhone models and even some Android cell phones that are compatible with the cover. This cutting-edge strap is the best friend that you and all of your electronic gadgets could ask for. Get rid of all your keyboards and mice because they're already on your fingers. That's right, a surface and a strap on your hand are all you need to either type, text, or play your favorite games. Or you might use gestures to scroll web pages in the most futuristic way possible. The strap provides up to 10 hours of operation, and it's really comfortable to wear, and there are 2 sizes to choose from. Its Bluetooth connectivity enables you to use this device with virtually any gadgets and platform, from smartphones to desktop computers. Even the comfiest gaming seats can't match the good old sofa. This couch workstation has everything you need to sit back and play for hours on end without getting back discomfort. It simply connects to your PC using a strong proprietary connection. In addition, the desk provides 6 USB ports for all of your devices and peripherals. Thanks to intelligent cable management, all the cords are neatly organized. Also, the desk provides several side pockets where you can store your mouse and other items. You'll definitely enjoy the spacious and comfortable cushions made of memory foam. In this day and age, it may seem nearly difficult to keep in touch with your friends and family if you don't have a phone service. But there is a specialized device that may fix this problem for you. If you link this to your smartphone, you will be able to send and receive text messages from any location in the globe, regardless of whether you have a standard Wi-Fi or cellular connection, because the device talks with other devices directly over a satellite network. You may use it to effortlessly exchange messages with people in your address book, sending SOS warnings and check-ins, and in addition, the app provides you with a full weather prediction. The package includes a USB charging cord together with a lanyard and carabiner for carrying. Nothing will ever stop you from messaging again in the future. Do you believe that fidget spinners are nothing more than a bunch of pointless toys? If so, you should know that this particular model is not the case. Spinning it at insane speeds must be incredibly enjoyable, but there's a better way to pass time while boosting your focus and concentration. It is a miniature labyrinth that's embedded right into the spinner. Most crucially, this item is also equipped with detachable magnetic multi-tool. It contains a box opener, bottle opener, and a hex wrench. Moreover, you can use it to play dice and receive fortunate tips from the distinctive Viking symbols. The whole thing is carefully machined from stainless steel it comes with. What could be considered more submersive than cufflinks? Yes, they have a touch of steampunk, but in all honesty, they resemble watches more. All of those gears aren't just decorative elements. They really make up a completely operational mechanism, very much like the ones that are seen in antique wristwatches. A straightforward winding will set off a graceful movement. The cufflinks are composed of high-quality materials such as brass and copper, and the gorgeous packaging is ideal for giving it as presents due to its beautiful presentation. You may take this style even further by purchasing for yourself one of these rings, which has the same concept and is well executed, and which features a number of rubies as well as a huge Swarovski crystal. This rounder version is even more high-end given that it is entirely composed of silver and bronze, but what truly counts is the imagination that went into making it.